Today, I'm going to show you how you can create a complete AI video using the story-to-video feature on AI Tiger. First, open your browser and go to the AI Tiger website. After logging into your account, you will see the main dashboard. Here, click on the option called Story to Video. Now you will see a big text box and small text box where you need to paste your story and the title. You can paste any story here, for example, a mystery story, a motivational story. After pasting the story, scroll down and click on Get Started. After clicking on Get Started, it will take you to Next Page, where you need to write the location where your story is located from, and what is the genre of your story. And then you need to select the language for your voiceover to be in. And then you need to select the visual style for your video to be in. And then you need to select the image model for your video to be in. And after that, you need to select the video model for your video to be in, and then you need to select the per shot video length, and then choose the aspect ratio according to your platform. Next, select the voice for your video. Pick a clear narration voice that sounds natural. After choosing the voice, it will ask you to go to the Character tab. Click on the Go to Characters. Then click on Auto-Generate Characters. Then you need to generate the characters for your story. You can generate your characters as per your choice, or you can leave the character design on the AI. And after all the characters are being generated, we'll now move on to Scene and Shots tab. Now click on Auto-Generate Scenes and Shots. AI Tiger will take a few moments to break your story into screenplay. Now let's check all the scenes and shots and see whether there is anything missing. Once all the scenes and shots are generated, once you click on Generate Image, the AI will take a moment to generate your image. You can check every scene and shot's details like image prompts and video prompts, as well as the narrations and details AI Tiger uses to create your scenes and shots. If you want to change any scene, you can click on that scene and edit the image or video or narrations as per your choice. And once the image is generated, you can check whether your image is perfect. And once it is perfect, you can move on by clicking on Generate Video. And like this, you need to do the same with all scenes and shots. Once every shot is created, you can generate the narration audio for every scenes and shots. And when everything looks good, move on by clicking on Result tab, and there you can render your video in high quality. And that's it! You have just created a complete AI video without any editing skills using AI Tiger's Story-to-Video feature. And now, let's watch and enjoy the video.
In the quiet city of Aerith, the morning light drifts peacefully into a bedroom where Elendor lies asleep, untouched by time. Suddenly startled awake, he is haunted by visions of a city succumbing to endless waves, capturing his restless mind. Suddenly startled awake, he is haunted by visions of a city succumbing to endless waves, capturing his restless mind. As he rises from bed, a serene gaze falls upon the world outside, untouched by turmoil. Wandering through the silent hallway, Elendor's echoing footsteps reveal the solitude of his journey. His tentative call for another soul goes unanswered, yet resolve fills his heart as silence leads him on. Entering the central hall, light from above bathes Elendor in an otherworldly glow, guiding him to Seraphine, who awaits before a mural alive with watery depths. Together they silently acknowledge the vision, a world submerged, yet flames of hope persist. Their union against the mural's backdrop unites them in understanding and courage. Side by side, they seem small in the vastness, yet a strength transcends their trials. As the light dims, memories settle into the hall's vast silence, leaving promise etched in their shadows.